Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you how you can arrange your clothes easily without taking too much space in your cupboard. So first, fold the clothes like this from both the sides. Now on the downside, fold it and then fix the upper side inside the space like this. And your shirt is almost done. I hope you liked it. Next, take a jeans and fold it like this. Now fold it above again and then fix them on the upper side like this, and it's done. Next, you have to take a t-shirt like this. Now fold it from both the sides equally. First turn it back. Now fix it from both the sides by turning it like this. Fold it from the other side as well. Now after folding it, fold it from the bottom side on the upper way like this. Now fix the upper side by folding it like this and fix it inside the lower part. And your t-shirt is almost done. I hope you liked it. Next, again take a t-shirt, press it like this fix it from the sides. Now fold it. So watch the technique very carefully how we have folded it, and look, it's done. Next, take a shirt and then fold it from both the sides like this in the half manner. Now fold it from the downside, fix the upper part inside it like this, or you can just put it above and fix it by folding it inside like this, and it's done. Next, you have to take a long dress or a frock as shown in the video. Now fold it from the sides in the same manner as shown. Fold it upward. Now fix it from the sides. Then we will again fold it and then fix the lower part in the between as shown in the video. And look how easy it is, and it's done beautifully. Next, take the pants and fold it from the between like this. Now fold it from the upper side. So here we are folding a jumpsuit. Now fold it from the sides. Fix it by folding it like this. Roll it from the sides. Fold it and fix it like this. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take the pants, fold it like this from the between and fix it like this. Now fold it in the upper way. Now take the upper side and fold it on the downside like this. Fold it 2 to 3 times and fix them like this. Thanks for watching our video.